Ready. Okay, this is the slot that your FSR cable is going to come out. So you have to locate to this increment one. It's number 27. That's your FSR slot. Turn it over. And you see that you have foam. You're going to have to take this off. And your cable is going to be under one of these boards. I'm not sure which one it is. But if you lift the board up, you'll see that that FSR cable is going to come out of that slot. So locate that cable, unplug that cable, take it out, get your new cable, and make sure that you do the purple up. I know you have all blue now, probably have this kind before, but make sure that you plug it in with the blue up and your little slots. Plug it in good, nice and tight. Make sure that all the little legs are stuck in there. Bring it up and locate your cable on the board, on the main board, which it will be into J15. And again, purple up, plug it into the board, and you should be all set.